Good morning, evening, night, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ruth Gracia. I'm 20 years old. Now I'm in my fifth semester doing my degree at LSPR Communication and Business Institute with major public relation. I am currently learning about public speaking and presentation skill under the supervision of Mr. Charles Bonar Sirait. Ladies and gentlemen, sexual harassment is a pervasive. It can happen at school, work, or street. There is no industry or institute that is immune to it. Because sexual harassment, so many people hurts. Maybe you're gonna ask why this could keep happening. At the end, sexual harassment keep happening because there is no unequal power relation between a woman and man at this society. According to an expert named Winar Sunu, sexual harassment is all forms of behavior with connotation sexual that are carried out and are not desired by the victim. The form can be in the form of speech, writing symbol, gesture, and action that have connotation sexual. The example of sexual harassment such as catcalling, comment or jokes about someone's body, invitation to have sex or other sexual acts, touching part of body sexually in front of other people, touching part of someone's body, and the last one, display sexually image or video. Who are the victims of sexual harassment? Sexual harassment happens without looking at your age, sexuality, and your clothes. The youngest victim of sexual harassment is a 2-month baby, and the oldest is 70 years old woman. Based on a survey conducted by Koalisi Ruang Publik Aman, less than 62,000 victims of sexual harassment are not only caused by a tight or revealing clothes. In fact, 17% of the victims use hijab, 16% wear a long sleeve, 18% wear skirt and trouser, 14% wear school uniform, and 14% the others is wear loose-fitting clothes. This keep happen because there is 3 reasons. The first one, people normalize all the bad behavior. The second one, male-dominated. And the third one, there is no strict law for sexual harassment. Maybe you're gonna ask me why the victim doesn't give a report when they get sexual harassment. Here is why. The first one, tonic immobility. It's a temporary state of motor inhibition believed to be a response to the situation involving extreme fear. So when this happened, the victim couldn't do anything like give resistance to the abuser because the victim in the shock position. The second one, victim blaming or self-blaming. If the people around her or him doesn't understand about tonic immobility, they will blaming the victim or the victim will blaming themselves. The last one, power relation. Due to the lack of strength from the victim could be sued by defamation. We also need to give awareness about the emotional toll that the victim can have as well. You watch TV show and movie where the rape scene is depicted in the dramatic gory detail, and there is often a little sympathy given to the victim. And the next episode, the girl lives peacefully. But in the reality, it's not like that. The impact of sexual harassment for the victim are trigger symptoms of depression, anxiety, stress, and trauma. Not only mental health side, the physical side can be affected too. The physical symptoms can impact such as headache, high blood pressure, heart issue, cardiovascular function, and metabolic function. So now we know more about all of this. And here, what should we do if you're the victim or you know the victim? First one, the date, time, and location of harassment. What happened, what was said, and who witnessed the behavior. The second one, keep copies or take screenshots of any relevant emails, text, photo, or social posts. The last one, tell a trusted friend, family member, or coworker what happened, and go to psycholog. In this last video, if you are a victim or know the victim, what you need to remember is this is not your fault, but this is the abuser's fault. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.